Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find Google Forms owner. If you received Google Form but don't know who owns it, you can try checking the email sender, inspecting the forms link, or looking for hints in the responses confirmation messages. Now in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step. So let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to check the email invitation. Now in the form, if the form was shared via email, check the sender's email address for clues. You can see the email address of the owner. For example, I'm gonna go to forms.google.com and I'm gonna click on it. And here you can see if the form was shared via email and check the sender's email address for clues. The second step is to look for contact information on the form. Some forms include an email field, company name, or instruction mentioning the owner. It's usually in the description right here in this field, as you can find it. The third step is to submit the form and check the confirmation message. Now, after submitting, a confirmation message or email may reveal the owner's details. It will be sent to your email, the email that you filled the form with, or that you wrote in the section for emails. As for the fourth step is to check the form's URL for clues. Now if you have the form's link, look at the Google Drive shared settings. And for the fifth step, you can request access to edit. And to do that, just click the request edit access and wait for the owner's response. And that's it for today's tutorial. Finding the owner of a Google form can be tricky, but you can check the email invitation, form details, submission confirmations, or request access to contact the creator. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.